Hello, in today's video lesson, I'll show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To access Roblox, open the app or visit the website. Navigate to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner and navigate the account info. To access your account on a mobile device, tap the three dots in the bottom right. Scroll down to Option Settings and tap Account Info in the More menu here. To activate voice chat on Roblox, verify your age, at least 13 years old. Go to the Verify My Age. Then an identity verification taps out for you to provide a valid ID. Using a smartphone is necessary for scanning QR codes, and the camera app is typically sufficient. If the camera app doesn't work, another app can be used. Now, if your app doesn't work for scanning QR codes, download the QR code scanner app from the App Store or Play Store. The user can use your camera to capture a link. As you can see, I get this link pops up. Tap on it. This opens a page requiring a valid government-issued ID. You must also take a selfie and ID pictures, ensuring you are well lit and prepared. Click Let's Go and take a photo of the document's photo page. And hit on Allow access to your camera. But I had to blur the information, ensuring it's personal. To process a selfie on Roblox, simply take a selfie, and the process will be automated, safe, and quick. The data and procedures are tightly controlled, ensuring personal information security. Now, age verification is done. Close it and return to your device or computer. To enable voice chat in the app, tap on Privacy and verify your age. After a few seconds or refreshing the page, the beta feed link will appear. Enable voice chat by pressing the corresponding switch. To enable voice chat in Roblox games, agree to the terms being asked and tap the Enable button. Go to Roblox game. Unmute your microphone to speak and check your audio settings to ensure the game supports voice chat. To fix an incorrect input, pause the game by pressing Escape or the Roblox icon at the top left. Navigate to Settings, select the correct input device, and ensure output is correct. Now unmute yourself, and your microphone will move, allowing conversation. That's how easy it is. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.